Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Sovereign Plaza in Mandeville. It's actually still under construction and this is the front of it, and we're going to go around the back and take a look at the back soon. So here you can see the Domino's and the Wendy's. Those are new stores that just opened. Right here is where the Shoppers Fair supermarket is. As you can see, this building is going to be demolished and the supermarket moved to the back where they have built a new structure. So with Highway 2000 coming to Mandeville, a lot of activity is happening in Mandeville. It's going to take 40 minutes to get from Kingston to Mandeville on the highway. So that opens up a whole new world of opportunity for Mandeville. So here you can see that Domino's is new, that Wendy's is new. This whole plaza is probably done as a result of the highway coming out here. So you need three things for a successful plaza: build it in a populated area, and this is a very populated area. This is in the town of Mandeville, which is the largest town in Manchester and central Jamaica. You need a brand name supermarket or a large supermarket, and Shoppers Fair is the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. And you need food stores, and it doesn't get any better than Wendy's and Domino's. And then the mall itself is going to have a food court in it. So this is this side of the mall, so we're going to go and take a look at the other side of the mall now, where they've actually put up a new structure. And alright, our car was parking. Okay. So okay, straight ahead on the left, that is where they are going to put the new supermarket, and you can see the fence down there. That will be where the loading or the delivery area for the supermarket will be. And this is the new structure that was put up. It looks finished actually, the outside at least. I wonder if they let us inside. But the mall is going to open later this year. And the highway is going to open in August, this year, August 2023. It was to open in March 2023, but the opening date has been changed to August 2023. But the highway is over 90% complete. I'm not sure if this is going to be the largest mall in Mandeville, but it's definitely one of. The Super Plus Mall is massive, it's huge. And Manchester's Plaza is actually a big mall too. Is it Manchester Plaza or Manchester Centre? I have to double check it. Actually, this plaza was to have a different name, and it conflicted with, is it this plaza? With another plaza out there, so they had to change the name. This is where the supermarket is going to be.